China will not be more inclined to invade Taiwan after the U.S. captured Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro earlier this month. That's the opinion shared by U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio at a congressional hearing. He was responding to speculation that the U.S.'s actions in Venezuela could set an example and a legal basis for Chinese leader Xi Jinping to attack Taiwan.
The situation on Taiwan is a Xi legacy project that he's made very clear that that's what he intends to do. And that's going to be irrespective of anything that happens in the world.
U.S. Senator Pete Ricketts agrees. He says China's ambition to take over Taiwan does not depend on international perception or sentiment, but rather whether it can successfully carry out an attack.
One of the common criticisms after Maduro's capture was that this would incentivize communist China to take similar actions in Taiwan. In my opinion, this couldn't be further from the truth. For starters, communist China doesn't care about international law or norms. Xi Jinping's calculus on whether to take kinetic action against Taiwan rests solely on whether or not he believes he will be successful or not.
By comparison, China's recent removal of top General Zhang Youxia could have a greater impact on its military planning on Taiwan. Ricketts said Zhang was one of the few top Chinese generals with combat experience, suggesting his departure could weaken China's military capability. But some caution that what could be a short-term setback may also strengthen the Chinese armed forces in the long run.
I think in the medium and longer term is that the use of force by China, in my view, is more likely if constraints are removed from Xi Jinping. If it means there are fewer constraints on Xi Jinping, in the medium term, I think this increases the likelihood of the use of force against Taiwan.
The U.S. is firm that its actions have no bearing on Beijing's calculus on Taiwan, and it points to Zhang's removal as a reason why China won't carry out an invasion anytime soon. But taking Taiwan remains a key goal of China's leaders, meaning an attack still cannot be ruled out. Kris and Liao for TaiwanPlus.